It's No Face Bigfoot, and welcome to my Share the Love Bath and Body Works unboxing video. And today we have lots of soaps, but as you can tell, this is how my box arrived here. Not in very good shape. So let's go ahead and see what I ordered here. So we're going to start off here with some eucalyptus mint, straight from Australia. And sorry, no koala bears come with the soap. All right, what we have next, Japanese cherry blossom, a personal favorite. Ooh, doesn't it look good? I bet you it smells good too. Of course I know it smells good. That's why I ordered it. All right, now we have Viva Brazil. And then we have Crisp Morning Air. Sounds like what you would do up in the mountains. Get that morning air and just so clean that just wakes you up. What we have next, Sunny and Sugar Vanilla. Never ordered this flavor before, so we're going to try it out. Next up, we have Mango Mai Tai. Doesn't that sound sexy? Mahogany Teakwood, another personal favorite. All right, what we have next? Ooh, Coconut Breeze. Doesn't it just sound like you just want to be out on an island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean with the wind blowing, without all the typhoons and all the rain and stuff, and the sun bearing down on you? Oh man, oh, it sounds so sexy. All right, Blueberry Bellini. That's going to be a question mark. Never tried that out before. All right, next up, Mahogany Coconut. Puts two of my favorite flavors together. Man, we still got a lot to go here. All right, Warm Summer Evening. Now, I could be on the beach with that. You know, with the umbrella, topping the sun umbrella, and my feet kicked out and everything. Oh my gosh. Oh, and the ocean, in the background. All right, next up, Fiji White Sands. All right. Dedication to the island out in the Pacific, the island nation, who, if I remember correctly, are known for seven-man rugby. Yes, a nation that's in the middle of the ocean that doesn't have that many people is one of the best teams in seven-man rugby. All right, next up, Fresh Cut Lilacs. Spread the love. Vanilla Swirl. And then we have Marine Waves and Citrus. Oh, does that sound sexy or what? And then finally, we have two left. Turquoise Waters. And our last one that we have here, I want to say the brightest one for last. Mango Papaya Paradise. Oh my gosh, that sounds sexy. A lot of themes about like mountains and being down on the beach or islands in the middle of nowhere, with just on your own island and just enjoying yourself but not being stranded. All right, folks. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Holy cow. 16 things of soap. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. And if you did so, don't forget to not just like hit. You gotta crush the like, subscribe, share, and notification buttons. The 4 horsemen of YouTube. And this is No Face Bigfoot. And I'm out. And share the love. Peace.